How much does Living Delightful Freedom make on YouTube? How much money online do the Make Money Online YouTubers actually make? That's kind of an interesting topic and an interesting series I started, because these are the people that teach you how to make money online on YouTube or whatever. So it would be kind of interesting to see how much they actually make, and this is what we'll do in this video. We'll go over Living Delightful and we'll see whether or not the Social Blade number we can see here, $500 a month, is correct. No, it's not. I can tell you right now, and I'll tell you how much I think she makes after comparing her results with other YouTubers. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And if you're new, me and my team have 2 video editors. We upload over 3 videos every single day. That's 90 videos a month. And I know it's a lot, but the reason we want to do that is we want to take over the Make Money Online niche. So if you're new, subscribe. Subscribe, because our reign will be long and lucrative. And also like the video for the YouTube algorithm, because that helps us out so much. While you're at it, there's a riddle in the first comment. Try to guess it. I'll shout you out if you do, or just comment your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account down below. Just take it or put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, how much does Living Delightful Freedom make? So when we just check the Social Blade stats, we can see that she, according to Social Blade, made on the high end $584, which in my opinion it's pretty low for a Make Money Online channel, right? When you see her videos, they're Make Money Online videos. She has 300 videos. She uploads like a few times per week, pretty much the same thumbnail. It's low effort thumbnail but high quality videos, I guess, and most of her videos are above 8 minutes, which means she gets more than one advertisement. She gets mid-roll ads, which means she makes more RPM or money per 1,000 views. According to Social Blade, she's making $584 from 145,000 views. So that's around the $4 RPM. That's pretty low in my opinion, and I'll tell you why. If I go on my channel right here, and most of my videos and views are in the social media space, not in the Make Money Online niche. But when I get a Make Money Online video to pop, I make like a $9 RPM or something, like $90 in a day. So $9 is really possible for low, for channels with a low video length, right? I don't have multiple ads. My videos are really short because I don't want to waste anyone's time. So they're like 3-4 minutes long. So don't get as many ads. And I'm getting a $9 RPM. I'm pretty sure she might be getting a $15 RPM. But keep in mind, full disclaimer, this is no financial or medical advice. This is for entertainment purposes. This is my opinion. But if she's getting a $15 RPM, she could be making potentially around $2,175, and that's what I think she's making right now, at least on YouTube, without affiliate products, sponsorships, brand deals, whatever. Living Delightful Freedom, if you're watching this video, let me know if that's true. I will be really interested. And she ranks really high in search. Also, Living Delightful, I will be really interested if you check this video out. Let me know in the comments, do you get most of your views from search, browse features, or suggested? I'm really curious, because I've seen you a lot on search. Good job at it. So this is all for this video. Make sure you like it, and also remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, but this isn't a goodbye. You can see more videos just like this one by clicking this video right here. Just click it right now. Bye.